The Japanese system to breaking any bad habit, the Kaizen philosophy. What if I told you that you don't fail at habits because you're weak? You fail because you're trying to change too fast. Japan discovered a system that fixes this. It's called Kaizen. Most people try to break bad habits like this. I will stop completely from today. No more smoking. No more procrastination. No more junk food, and after 3 days. They fail, not because they lack discipline, but because the brain hates sudden change. The Japanese understood this long ago. So they created a philosophy that changed companies, cultures, and lives. It's called Kaizen, which means small, continuous improvement. Kaizen is not motivation. It is not pressure. It is not force. Kaizen says, don't fight your bad habit. Shrink it until it feels harmless, because the mind resists big change, but accepts tiny change. Why big changes? For when you say, I will stop this habit completely, your brain hears danger, stress, loss. So it fights back, but when you say, I will reduce it by 1% today, the brain relaxes, and relaxed brains change faster. Here is the Kaizen of change. Step Be Wise. Step 1. Make the habit smaller. Not Gondon say, I will stop smoking. Say, I will smoke 1 stick less today. Don't say, I will wake up at 5 a.m. Say, I will wake up 5 minutes earlier. Small feels safe. Safe leads to consistency. Step 2. Improve by 1% daily. 1% improvement sounds useless, but 1% daily for 30 days is powerful. Japan rebuilt its economy with Kaizen. Factories used it. Toyota used it. If it can build an economy, it can fix a habit. Step 3. Focus on process, not willpower. Kaizen removes pressure. Instead of asking, do I have discipline? Ask, how can I make this easier? Example, if you want to stop phone addiction, don't throw your phone away, just move it slightly farther from your bed. Turn off 1 notification, delay checking it by 5 minutes. That's Kaizen. Step 4. Never miss twice. You may fail 1 day. That's human, but Kaizen rule says, never fail 2 days in a row. 1 miss is a mistake. 2 misses is a habit. So return small, not strong. Why Kaizen? WORKS. Because Kaizen builds confidence, quietly removes fear, avoids burnout, creates identity change. You don't feel like you're fighting yourself. You feel like you're growing. In our real-life world, a man wanted to stop drinking. Instead of quitting, he delayed drinking by 10 minutes daily. 10 minutes became 30. 30 became 1 hour. 1 hour became days. No pressure, no shame, just Kaizen. Finally, if you're struggling with a bad habit, don't hate yourself. You're not weak. You're just using the wrong system. Remember this, big change scares the brain. Small change rewires it. Start today. Start small. Start Kaizen. Your future self will thank you.